How long are you staying up here?
The weekend?
Well, I think the bleeding's almost started. Why don't you hold that on? So you came up to see Annie, huh?
Yes.
I think you came up to see me.
Now, why would I want to see you of all people?
I don't know. But you must have gone to a lot of trouble to find out who I was and where I lived.
Oh, it was no trouble at all. I simply called my father's newspaper. Besides, I was coming up anyway. I've already told you that.
You really like me, huh?
I loathe you. You have no manners, you're arrogant and conceited, and I wrote you a letter about it, in fact. But I tore it up.
What did it say?
None of your business. I can't say I like your seagulls much either. I come all the way up here to...
But you were coming up anyway, remember?
Nick? I thought I saw your car. What are you doing in town?
I had to acknowledge a delivery.
Of what?
Mother, I'd like you to meet Melanie Daniels. Miss Daniels, my mother.
How do you do?
How'd you do, Miss Daniels? Acknowledge a what?
A delivery. Miss Daniels brought us some birds from San Francisco.
Oh.
For Kathy, for her birthday. Where is she?
Across the Finkmeyers.
As a matter of fact, Miss Daniels is staying up here for the weekend, so I've already invited her for dinner. Well, you did go to the trouble of bringing those birds.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
You did say birds.
Yes, love birds.
Oh, I see.
So we couldn't let you get away without thanking you in some small way? And you haven't met Kathy, and you are staying the weekend?
Well, yes, but...
Well, you are, aren't you?
Certainly, but...
Well, it's all settled. What time is dinner, Mother?
7 o'clock, the same as usual.
I'll pick you up. Where are you staying?
With Annie, of course.
Oh, of course. How stupid of me. 7:15?
Annie may have made other plans. I'll have to see. Besides, I can find my own way.
You sure now? You won't hire a boat or anything?
I'm sure.
7 o'clock, then.
Maybe.
We'll be waiting for you. How's your head?
Oh, much better, thank you. A gull hit me, Mrs. Brenner, that's all.
Oh, hi. Did you find her all right?
Yes, I did. I was wondering... that sign there. Do you suppose I could have the room for just a single night?
Well, I was planning on renting it for a longer
Oh,
time.
I would appreciate it. I've tried everywhere in town. They're all full.
Well, all right. Got your bags in the car? Well, it's utilitarian, I'll say that.
Oh, I just picked up some things for the night at the general store. You see, I hadn't planned on staying very long.
Yes, I know. Did something unexpected come up?
Yes. May I use your phone? I'd like to call home.
I just put some coffee on the stove. Don't they ever stop migrating?
I love you.
Melanie Daniels. Miss Daniels, my mother.
How do you do?
How'd you do, Miss Daniels? Acknowledge a what?
A delivery. Miss Daniels brought us some birds from San Francisco.
Oh,
For Kathy, for her birthday. Where is she?
Across the Brinkmeyers.
As a matter of fact, Miss Daniels is staying up here for the weekend, so I've already invited her for dinner. Well, you did go to the trouble of bringing those birds.
no, I couldn't possibly.
You did say birds.
Yes, love birds.
Oh, I see.
So we couldn't let you get away without thanking you in some small way? And you haven't met Kathy, and you are staying the weekend?
Well, yes, but
Well, you are, aren't you?
certainly, but
Well, it's all settled. What time is dinner, Mother?
7 o'clock, the same as usual.
I'll pick you up. Where are you staying?
with Annie, of course.
Oh, of course. How stupid of me. 7:15?
Annie may have made other plans. I'll have to see. Besides, I can find my own way.
You sure now you won't hire a